Welcome to Attack. Today we will discuss that how you can backup your messages on WhatsApp. So you can save all your WhatsApp messages in your drive. So first of all, open your WhatsApp and on top right corner click on three dots. Then we will move to settings. In settings you can see chats option. So in chats on second last you can see chat backup option. So now you can see backup button. So we will click it and within few seconds all your messages will be saved into your Google Drive. So you can see it's loading, it's 100%. Now you can see the time. Google Drive is showing that it's 6:29 a.m. and on top you can see 6:29. It means all my messages till now are saved to my Google Drive. So in this way, within few seconds, you can save all your WhatsApp messages in your Google Drive. So the second option is you can backup your WhatsApp messages daily, weekly, monthly, or whenever you want. So here you can see different options. Never, only when I tap backup, daily, weekly, and monthly. So if you don't want to backup your message, then click on never. Only when I tap backup, click here. If you want to backup daily, click it. So it's recommended to click on daily because all your messages will be saved to your Google Drive on daily basis. So this is the best way to save all your WhatsApp or business chats. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel.